In this video, I'm going to show you how to find TikTok saved videos. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, let me show you how to save video that you like. Let's say I like that video and now I want to save it, and I can do it in couple of different ways. First, I can hit there on a like to like that video, or I can hit there on that bookmark icon to bookmark that video. As you see, I can do it that actions both at the same time. And now let me show you how to find that videos. First, hit on your profile icon, and now let's refresh the page, and then all you have to do is hit there on bookmark or on that heart icon to open the bookmarked video or liked video. As you see, that video is bookmarked and liked as well as that video, but that video is just like. You can hit on that video and see that it's like but not bookmarked, and that's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.